Good morning. Today we will discuss about MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. The MSME sector of India holds a highly important position. This sector is considered the backbone of Indian economy. Definition of MSME. The government of India implemented the new definition of MSME in 2020, which is based on investment and annual turnover. Category investment limits and annual turnover. Micro enterprises investment limits है up to 1 crore, annual turnover is up to 5 crore. Small enterprises investment limits is up to 10 crore or and annual turnover is up to 50 crore. Medium enterprises investment limits is up to 50 crore, annual turnover up to 250 crore. Economic contribution of MSME sector, very important. First is contribution to GDP. According to Economic Survey 2025-26, the MSME sector contributes approximately 31.1% of Indian GDP. Manufacturing. The MSME sector contributes approximately 35.4% of to India's total manufacturing sector output. Export. The MSME accounts for about 45 to 48.58% of total exports. Employment generation. MSME sector is second largest employment generation provider in India after agriculture, providing job around 30 to 34 crore people. Structure of MSME. More than 7 crore MSME are registered in India. Composition. Micro enterprises approximately 97%. Small enterprises approximately 2.7%. Medium enterprises 0.3%. A report launched by Niti Aayog, which is said that according to 2025 report, only 0.3% of medium enterprises contribute around 40% of total MSME export. That is all about MSME. If my information is informative, please do subscribe my channel and like, share and comments. Thank you.